What is RGB? Today I will explain you with examples. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. This color mode is made up for digital screen images. RGB color mode is a source of light colors. Create any color you need by mixing red, green, and blue. This color mode is specially made for light colors. The RGB color mode is supposed to be used on displayed on any kind of screen, like mobile, laptop, tablet, etc. When red, green, and blue is mixed together at equal intensity, they create pure white color. The next question is, how many colors are there in RGB? The answer is, each color model has 256 colors, and multiplying them all makes 16.7 million colors. I hope this information will help you. Please press the subscribe button to watch more videos in future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.